Hey, third grade, it is Christine, and I've got my friend Lane here, special helper. We're just going to talk through importing your course modules from Commons. So once you're in Canvas, I want you to go on your left-hand side of the screen to the global navigation. There's a button for Commons. So if you click on the Commons button, you're going to kind of see a ton of resources in there. What I want you to do at the top of the page is type in Karen Roseman's name. And when you do that, it is going to filter for all the things Karen Roseman has shared. So Karen Roseman shared mindfulness for the week of April 6th, specials for the week of April 6th, science, ELA, and math for the week of April 6th. So we're going to import each of these into our courses. So I'm going to start with the mindfulness. When I go in there, I see the pages that she shared. I'm going to go to the right-hand side of the screen where it says import and download. Oh, right. And we're going to pick where we want to import this. I'm going to pick my sample course because I don't have real students. You would pick whatever course you want to put this in. You're going to import it into your course, and you'll see you've successfully started the import. It may take a little while. Okay, I'm going to go back to my search. I still have Karen Roseman in there. Now I'm going to go to, let's say I did the mindfulness one. Let's do specials. I'm going to import that to my sample course. I'm going to go back to search. I'm going to pick science because I know I didn't do that one yet. I'm going to import it. Again, I'm sending everything to my sample course. I'm going to go back to my search. All right, I've done mindfulness and specials and science. I have not done ELA, so let's pick that. Import and download to my sample course. One more. So I have everything but math. So let's pick that. I'm going to import that. All right, so you're going to give Canvas a minute or two. It may take a little bit, it's saying, but it will work its magic. And if you go back to your courses or your dashboard and you pick the course that you selected, okay, I picked my sample course. If I go to modules, you will see I now have mindfulness, specials, science, ELA, and I should have math, but that was the last one. So let me refresh my screen and give it another minute. Scroll down to the bottom. Math just might be taking a minute, but it's going to show up. If I want to reorder any of these, I can just kind of drag and drop. You notice that the default is that nothing is published. So if you were to go right now to student view, okay, my modules is not showing up. It's because I haven't published anything yet. So what we're going to do is for each of the modules, as you want to publish them, you have to publish the module. Notice that publishes everything in there. If you are somebody that only wants them to see Monday's work on Monday or something along those lines, okay, you're going to want to unpublish the rest of the content and then kind of go in there and publish it each day. I hope that provides you a little bit of direction on how to go into Canvas Commons and import those things. Reach out with any questions, guys.